All right, how you guys doing? Yeah, so today I'm going to go over a way to import a contact list in an Excel file into your Outlook contact list. And so what I have here is just a sample first name, last name, and then email. I'm going to save this and close this. And then we have my contacts in my Outlook. As you can see, there's nothing in them. And then I've got some code here I'm going to show you. I'll actually show you what it does right off the bat. So if you go to developer, go here, and then I'm going to do a bulk import. I'm going to select a file out of my Google Drive that I just closed called contact list. And then okay, it goes ahead and adds everyone in. If I go back and look at that, first off is Robert Adams, John Baker, Michael Clark, David. And so you can see it seems to have done it properly. Okay, and so for the code, I have a few things in here. I've got a bulk import, an general import function, and then um, some helpers. So this helper is a get file. It basically asks the user through a file dialog to pick a file, and it starts it off at the downloads file, and then returns that file name. OpenExcel goes ahead and um, asks basically asks the computer to open a new, get a used, get an already open Excel application or create a new one, and then sets this property either true or false depending on if it was open or not. I use this stuff down here at the end of my function to basically say, okay, if we were already open, don't close it. If this program opened the Excel file, then I want this program to also close that Excel file. And so that's what this does. And so as you come in, you basically say, hey, get me an Excel application, get me the import file, and then I want to, this is just setting up the references so I can access the file correctly, the Excel file correctly. Then get the last row. Last column isn't really needed here. And then I go from row 2 because row 1 is just generally a header row. So I go the first data row, which is row 2, to the last row. And then I create a contact via the contact import function here. And then I pass it an email address, a first name, and a last name. There's variable different options here. Email address is required. The rest are optional. First name, last name, business numbers, whatever, IM address, web pages, business address, all this stuff you can add in here. And it will, so if it looks for an existing contact with that email. If there already isn't one, it creates one. Feel free to pause the video, copy this down. Same with the bulk import here. Um, I'm going to show you the first half. Oh, this is actually all of it. There you go. So you can pause it here. But it goes through each row and adds a contact for each one of those rows, and then it exits. And so that's it. So I'm going to show you this again. So here is the helper method that I have. I'll scroll down. There you go. Okay, back to contacts. You can execute it from here by clicking inside of the function, or in this case, a subroutine. Hit play. It asks you for a file. Choose the file you want, and it goes ahead and updates it. If I were to delete it, I'll just show you that it will only recreate one of those, the one I just deleted. All right, there you go. Yeah, if you guys have any other questions, please let me know. If you guys want to know how to do a distribution list, so this will take, so here's some random stuff, but it'll take first name, last name. So same concept here. It'll create a contact off of these, and then it will create a list here. Like I'll just show you. If you guys want to see this, then I can do this, but It's a little bit more complex. Um, so it takes a sample distribution list, um, and then it imports them in here. So you can see I'm in here now, and some other people are in here now. So vendors has one member. Um, then you have customers that has one member as well. And then you have the employees, which has the 3 members. And so, um, yeah, that's another function. If you guys would like to see that and have that explained, um, I can do so. Otherwise, yeah, I appreciate the time, and please drop a like, drop a follow. Um, it helps me, or comment if you want to see something else. So, all right, have a good one.